have been doing just a little bit of shopping. I spent a little bit too much money. So today's gonna be a luxury try on haul. I did not buy this all in one sitting. I bought this over time, so yeah, I'm not balling like that yet. So I guess whatever I pull out first we can talk about, or I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but and some of this stuff that I'm going to show you guys in this haul, I have worn it. So in some of my vlogs you probably see it. So yes, I'm obsessed. Let's see. It seemed like everything is from Gucci except this YSL's bag. So I wonder if I should save the best for last. No, you know what? Let me just show you now because why not? So this is my favorite. Okay. So this is the first thing I'm going to talk about. This is how it looks. Oh. Wait, camera. It is so freaking cute. It's a YSL Mini. So it's the YSL Mini crossbody. The color, it's okay. It's like a new color. I wish I wanted black, but of course they didn't have it. They didn't have it in stock. No, I can't even speak. So they didn't have the black one in stock. I know that's so shocking. Well, actually it's not, because black is a very popular color. So I just decided to go with this one. It has the YSL inside. My light's away. YSL inside. It has 3 compartments. It has a zipper. What else it has? I have junk in here because, like I said, I actually wore this in Vegas on my last vlog, my travel vlog. So this is it. Now it's so cute, so convenient. Just throw it on. My light is so bright. It's not doing this bag any justice, but I love this bag. It's like a go-to bag every time. Like if I don't have anything else to wear, I would just throw this. I would just throw this on. Okay, so yeah, I'm in love. You guys, I wonder if I should turn the lights down because it's so bright. Okay, no, it's still not working. I'm trying to get like a, okay, you guys still can't see it, but anyway, this is it. So next item is gonna be another small leather good, and it's a Gucci bag. Oh, I said Gucci bag. Oh my god. Speaking of this, it's a Gucci wallet. This is how it looks. It's so cute. I saw somebody with a card holder that looked just like this. This is how it is when you open it. The only thing I don't like is like a 3-part cone. The money going to this side. This is how it looks. And I guess you put coins in here. Yeah, when I do use this, I only use it as for my cards. I don't usually pick cash on the side. Yeah, it makes it too big. But anyway, it's so freaking cute. That is it for the bags. Now let's move on to the shoes. Now let's do these first. Yeah, okay. I don't think I can see my bag. So the first pair I got are these Gucci slides. Yeah, these Gucci slides. Well, Gucci sandals. These are so freaking cute. It has the GG all over it, and also they have, one is gold and one is silver. So cute. Now I got these in a what size did I get? Oh, okay. I'm sorry guys. So I got these in a size 41. I know this is a little bigger. I'm a size 40, but these run kind of, the sizing was a little off. Cause I guess I could fit these perfectly. Now the second pair of shoes that I got are these. Now these are the what are the names of these? I'll put the name of them on the description box, but you guys can focus. It's too bright. But I thought these were so ugly. I don't know why, but then I tried them on and they're so freaking cute. I always see people with the pink ones. Sorry. So I always see people with the pink ones, which is very popular. So I got the white ones. Well, it's like an off-white. It's a little different, but I feel like I can rock with it, especially when I'm out of town. I have so many outfit options already for these, so I'm really excited about wearing them. So that's it on my collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I have been so consistent. I say it every video because I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm so consistent on YouTube. I have been uploading about 3 videos a week. I just did the Vlogmas, and then I vlogged every freaking day. So yeah, go check those out. Check out my last videos, my last travel vlog, which was my birthday. And yeah, subscribe. I have so much new content coming. I have some more travel vlogs coming. I'm just so excited, and I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.